TMC Dumont, the aviation-inspired motorcycle that redefines the road. Meet the TMC Dumont, a mind-blowing fusion of aviation heritage and futuristic design. This radical concept motorcycle was brought to life by Tarso Marquez, a former Formula One driver, as a tribute to aviation pioneer Alberto Santos Dumont. At its core roars a Rolls-Royce aircraft engine from the 1960s, delivering raw, unfiltered power like no ordinary bike on Earth. But what truly sets it apart are its gigantic 36-inch hubless wheels, giving it a gravity-defying appearance and a presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. With curves that echo the future and a silhouette that looks ripped from a sci-fi blockbuster, the TMC Dumont isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling sculpture, a statement of innovation. It stole the spotlight at events like Daytona Bike Week 2018. Refueling robots. How refueling robots are making filling up faster and more convenient than ever. Expanded sentence. Refueling robots are revolutionizing the way we fill up vehicles by making the entire process faster, more efficient, and incredibly convenient. With advanced automation and precision technology, these robots can refuel cars quickly while minimizing human effort and reducing wait times, paving the way for a smoother and smarter fueling experience in the near future. Viskaya Bridge, the flying ferry that still defies time. Introducing the Vizcaya Bridge, a one-of-a-kind marvel that blurs the line between a bridge and a ferry. Built in 1893, this historic engineering gem is still fully operational, and it's far from ordinary. Instead of cars driving across a road deck, the Vizcaya Bridge uses a suspended platform, hanging from overhead rails, to ferry up to 6 vehicles and dozens of passengers across the river. It glides smoothly from one shore to the other in just a few minutes, and does so every 8 minutes, 24/7, all year round. Located in Spain, it connects the towns of Portugalete and Las Arenas, serving both as a functional transit solution and a living piece of history. And if you're craving a bird's-eye view, take one of the elevators inside the towers up to 50 meters high to enjoy a breathtaking panorama of the port and harbor. Panoterret, the turtle-shaped floating megacity of the future. Imagine a city not on land, but gliding across the ocean. That's Panoterret, the world's most ambitious floating metropolis, designed in the shape of a massive sea turtle. Spanning 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, this architectural marvel will be home to over 60,000 residents. Inside, you'll find luxurious villas, high-tech mansions, and opulent palaces, all nestled within a self-sustaining floating ecosystem. Powering this behemoth are 16,800 horsepower superconducting engines, paired with solar panels and innovative wave-breaking wings, allowing Panoterret to cruise endlessly, with zero emissions. Estimated to take 8 years to construct and costing a staggering £6.8 billion, the project is expected to be partially funded through NFT-based ventures. Panoterret isn't just a floating city. It's a visionary blend of advanced engineering, sustainability, and futuristic living, setting sail into a new era of oceanic civilization. The straddling bus. China's bold solution to urban traffic jams. Imagine a bus that doesn't just drive through traffic, it glides above it. That's exactly what Chinese engineers unveiled at a recent high-tech expo. A futuristic rail-based straddling bus that promises to revolutionize public transportation. Designed to carry an astonishing 1,200 passengers, this elevated bus spans nearly 8 meters wide, effectively covering 2 lanes as it travels. Its body arches over the road, allowing cars to pass underneath, dramatically easing congestion without taking up extra road space. Depending on the number of modular compartments, Its length can stretch over 30 meters, making it a true giant on rails. But introducing this next-gen transit system isn't as simple as laying down tracks. Cities would need to upgrade infrastructure, including custom-built boarding stations and elevators to lift passengers into the bus. Volkswagen the Future, reimagined on four wheels meet Cedric, short for self-driving car, a visionary concept by Volkswagen that doesn't just drive, it redefines mobility. Designed from the ground up as a Level 5 autonomous vehicle, this machine needs no driver, no steering wheel, and no pedals. It's the automotive equivalent of a personal butler. Just press a button, and your ride appears like magic. What makes Cedric special is that it's not built to look like a traditional car. It's more like a living room on wheels, compact yet spacious, with sliding doors, a lounge-style interior, and a large OLED screen where the dashboard would normally be. Built on Volkswagen's modular electric drive matrix, MEB, it runs on pure electric power, making it zero-emission and fully sustainable. Lifeless robots are once again stepping into human roles. This time, it's the street cleaners who might be feeling the pressure. Introducing the Solar-Umba 4000, a solar-powered robotic vacuum developed by the Freedom Solar Power team. Already tested on the streets of Austin, Texas, this futuristic machine managed to collect over 91 kilograms of trash in just one day. With a 2-meter diameter, it runs on 600-watt solar panels and cruises at speeds of up to 19 kilometers per hour, all while hauling up to 50 kilograms of waste. If you'd like to see this eco-friendly giant in your own city, you can contact the creators, but maybe keep the news quiet around your local street cleaning crew.